Get you some animals and just go sit out there with them and just think. Cause this year almost over with. And I know y'all can see how high the food is, how high the eggs is, how high everything getting. And if it's not concerning to you right now, I don't know what else to tell you. But I'm going to tell you like this. You don't need to worry. You just need to pray. Pray and let the Lord guide you. Because you're going to need two things. Water and a food source. Because we don't know which way the government finna take this world. But we know it's not in our benefit. It's not gonna be in our favor. So as you can see, by them giving all the immigrants, all the money, they not giving you anything but jacking up the food on you. That's all they giving us. So right now, we're at a time right now, a very bad time. We are right now in the Bible time. We are in the book of Revelations, the last chapter of the Bible. The last chapter of the Bible. We are living it right now, and the world can't see.